Okay, this is problems 23 and 24, the last two problems on the Algebra 2 Chapter 1 test review example sheet. And what I'm going to do here is, first of all, try and isolate this square root part, or excuse me, absolute value part. So first I subtract 5 from both sides. 11 minus 5 would be 6. Then I divide both sides by 2 to get rid of the 2 that's in front. So 6 divided by 2 would be 3. And once you get the absolute value by itself, the less than sign goes with and you split it up into two copies. So I copied it once, twice. The bars disappear at this point. And on the second example here, you multiply by -1 on the left. Solve both sides. You can see on this line here, I had to divide by a negative, which is why that inequality switched direction. And then you're going to consolidate these and ones into an in-between statement, so I did that down here. And then you shade in between 0 and 6 on a number line to finish the problem. Okay, example 24, we're going to get the absolute value part of this isolated. And that's two steps. You first subtract 4 on both sides. -8 minus 4 would be -12. And then divide by -3, which then gives you 4 on the right-hand side. It also makes the inequality switch directions. So now you make two copies of the last statement without the bars and solve both sides. Once again, over here, you'll notice that when I divided by -1, the inequality flipped back the other direction. And you combine these. You know what? This graph is wrong. Give me a second to fix it down here. I did this bottom part wrong, so let me fix that. We have the answer here. It's an OR statement, so I have to not combine them together like the last problem. I got a little confused there. We're just going to graph the numbers that are bigger than 2 or smaller than -6. So I'll put 0 there and go 1, 2, 3. We want to be bigger than or equal to 2. And smaller than or equal to -6. And there you have it. You have an OR graph. The OR graphs, they go in opposite directions like that. I sometimes call them split graphs.